Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the dollar 4 hour time frame, I personally think this is the end of an ABC correction. We definitely still do need that break of structure to confirm it, but to me it definitely looks like a 3-3-5 pattern or a 3-3-3 pattern. 1-2-3 waves down, 1-2-3 waves up. Probably is more of a 3-3-3, which is a WXY, but either way, 1-2-3 waves down. Right to a 50% fib bounce. I think that we will end up getting a break of structure at some point, which will help confirm that this really is the end of an ABC and help confirm that we are back into the higher time frame uptrend. So let's take it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So it looks like we might have already ended the pullback. I mean, we got our Fibonacci retracement on here. We definitely got a 1-2-3 way pullback to the 38%. Nice and positive up, nice break of structure. Now, I definitely don't think I'd be trying to go long now because it could possibly just keep on going up from here, but that's exactly a good example of what I'm looking for. 1-2-3 way pullbacks, Fibonacci bounces, breaks of structure at Fibonacci levels for entries to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So if I see that again in the future, that's exactly what I'll be looking for to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.